Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Wednesday, December 2nd, 2020. Today is Wellness Wednesday, and today we're thinking about the things that we eat. This quote says, about 80% of the food on shelves of supermarkets today didn't exist 100 years ago. Wow! So we have a lot of things on our shelves that have been made by man and are created and full of things that aren't necessarily great for our bodies. So as you're eating your meals and making your choices, think about eating lots of fresh fruits and vegetables and lots of things that are going to be good and healthy for your body to keep you healthy for a long time. Next, please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. Salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Today for breakfast, we have a breakfast sandwich, and for lunch, we got hot dog and fries. Tomorrow for breakfast, we have my favorite, cinnamon roll and yogurt, and for lunch, we have pulled pork or pork patty on a bun and some green beans. Today we have a couple of birthdays. We have Sabriel Nash and Havius Bradley. Happy birthday! We still have the Stuff the Bus toy drive. We are collecting new and unwrapped toys for our annual Stuff the Bus toy drive. Please send in a new toy to the library by December 7th. Every child that donates a toy will get to wear their favorite Christmas shirt and jeans on Friday, December 11th. So our teachers are keeping a list of who is bringing in those toys so that they will know who gets to get that special at a uniform day. And I did notice yesterday that our tree, underneath our tree, those toys are piling up. So that is super exciting. We want to have lots of toys to send to Stuff the Bus. So keep up the great work. We got a couple more days to get those toys in. Some important dates. We have growth monitoring going on right now. We were checking the results yesterday. Most of our classes have a great progress in reading and, surprise, surprise, they even had great progress in math, which we had scheduled for today and tomorrow. So we have a lot of teachers that are ahead of the game. Way to go, guys. I did happen to see, good job, Miss Barnes. All of her kids had completed it for one subject. Shout out to those 5th grade kiddos. So that is going on. Make sure, kids, that you are completing your iReady growth monitoring. On Tuesday, December 1st, yesterday we had our Phonics First tutoring beginning, so we'll have tutoring on Tuesdays and Thursdays. So we had a great successful start yesterday, and we will continue tomorrow for our tutoring. Wednesday today, we have PST during our extended PE time. We also have the wellness nurse going to be here. I believe one nurse is not going to be able to make it to see the teachers, but we have one wellness nurse here. So if you have any questions about that, see Nurse Eaton. It is also, I'm pretty sure, flu shot day for some of our kiddos. So we have a lot of exciting things going on today. Next Monday or Tuesday, they're going to pick up all our great toys to go in the Stuff the Bus. Next Wednesday, December 9th, we have extended PE again, and we're going to have grade level meetings. Friday, December 11th. Oh, I almost forgot. I need to add this on here. Also on Wednesday, December 9th, we have a very important event going on at Kate Shepherd. We have the school spelling bee. So that will be an intense competition. They're going to hold that down in the cafeteria. So good luck to all those spellers. That will be next Wednesday, December 9th. Friday, December 11th, we have all students and staff who donate a toy may wear jeans and a Christmas shirt. And on Friday, December 18th, we're going to have a Feel Good Friday. That is also going to be a day that we get to celebrate the holidays. So I think we're going to have some goodies that day in our classrooms and get to do some fun stuff before we get out for the Christmas break. So Friday, December 18th is going to be a feel-good Friday for everybody. Next, we have a shout out to Miss Wilder. Miss Wilder has stepped up to the plate in the absence of the pre-K teachers when they had to be out the other day, and the kids love her, and she works so very hard. I see this all the time, and she is very much appreciated. She was shouted out by Miss Barnes, but she is well loved by everybody, and she is working super hard to get those pre-K kids all the things they need while their teacher was not available. Next, I have a shout out for Miss Barnes. She is recognized by Nicoya Jackson, and Nicoya said, I would like to give a shout out to Miss Barnes. She gave me a fun nickname, and she calls me her little cupcake. She is the most playful, but also she is the smartest math teacher ever. All right, so Miss Barnes got a little recognition there from Nicoya for doing great things. So shout out to Miss Barnes for just being awesome. Final one, we have a shout out to the whole 5th grade from Miss Gibbs. This entire grade level has completed the Google Meet survey. Whoop, whoop, way to go 5th grade. So if your grade level has not completed the survey, which would be everybody other than 5th grade, make sure you get those survey results in. Thank you, friends. Next, we have a congratulations for Miss Hamlin. Dun, dun, dun. She was selected to be on the math textbook selection committee. So, our students in Miss Hamlin's class, be sure to congratulate her. It's a lot of work. She will have extra things to do. So, way to go, Miss Hamlin, and I know she will represent us well. That is all for today's news. We hope you have a wonderful Wednesday, Kate Shepherd, and stay warm out there.